Hey, what is going on? In this video, we're gonna do something a little bit different. So I'm type of an engineer-y type of person. I like building things, I like fixing things. And just before I left Canada, I recorded a video. Of me building a bracket, like a rack for the back of my 2022 Honda Grom. But if you are into that engineer-y type of stuff, and you like building custom motorcycle gear, then this is the video for you. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the second half of the video. Because not only did I make a custom bracket, I then added custom panniers on the bike. So, as I said, I recorded this video, I think, years ago. So, forgive me for the background music and all the silly effects, but my video making style was a little different back then. So, without further ado, enjoy the video.
Hello, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to make hard case panniers for my Honda Grom. This project will fit a 2022, 23, and who knows, maybe even a 24. If you're planning on making hard case panniers for your Grom, then this video is going to be a good reference. In my last Honda Grom video, I made a solid metal rack using only basic tools. This whole project cost about $15, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. Okay, let's get started. We need some cases. If you're weird like me, then you tend to buy these solid, hard, waterproof cases every time they come on sale. I found these two in my barn that'll work perfect. So I found out very quickly that if you want to put panniers on the side of your bike, they gotta stick out really far because the blinkers won't let them sit close to the bike. I didn't really want my panniers sticking out really far. The only options you really have is either to buy new blinkers that are lower profile or move the blinkers. Which one sounds easier? So, most of the cheap Chinese blinkers that you can get on Amazon are actually not road legal where I live. So, I guess we're gonna move the blinkers. Wish me luck.
Jesus, it's a long bolt. Is this even the right one? What am I doing? This is the best part about Honda. The new wires fit the original harness. I don't have to solder anything or add more wire.
So they're out of the way, and I don't think it looks that bad for free.
So I'm thinking this is going to be the shape that we're going to do. It holds the pannier just far enough away from the bike, and you can also open it up without the top of the case hitting the bike seat. So let's go make this out of metal. We got about 10 minutes out of it before it exploded. So I think we're gonna have to go down to a 1/8 inch thick metal, which I kinda don't wanna do.
Okay, so that's the finished assembly. Now we're just going to jam it with a bunch of paint, attach it to the bike and hope that it fits. Okay, so I got all the hardware on. I think it's looking pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the finished position. You still have access to the passenger foot pegs and the pannier boxes don't rub your bum. You can still get 2 people on this bike pretty easy. And as for the performance of the bike, I can't really tell a difference. I know scientifically it's probably making a change, it has to, but I can't feel it with my senses. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
So I hope you liked the video, and if there's anything different you would have done, let me know. If you would have changed anything, please let me know. And you're probably gonna say, yeah, you should have just bought one. But this whole thing only cost me about $15, so I was happy with that. And yeah, there wasn't too many options. Back when I built that rack, there wasn't too many options for brackets for those bikes, so I had to build one. And I needed something pretty heavy duty, so I hope you liked the video. As I said, I recorded it, and I didn't really do much with it, so hopefully you got some enjoyment out of it.